Hi everyone, here is a so-called set of keys for disassembly and assembly. There is a different wave here that is suitable for opening the locks of the VAG group HU66, that is for Volkswagen, Audi, Skoda, Seat, Porsche. It does not open all locks, but many. Here we have several original locks. I don't remember exactly which ones. Audi, in my opinion. Yes, by the way, this is ignition lock. I was certainly surprised how easily and simply the ignition was opened. Here we take the second number. Keys are made a little smaller so that you can wobble. So the ignition is opened. You can see it, right? Instantly. This is also the ignition and is also opened instantly. This is, in my opinion, Chinese lock. Well, here we can say we have half of them are opened, half are not opened. You can try with different keys, different numbers. This one hasn't been opened. This one hasn't been opened either. This is Seat. The original as far as I can see. If you push harder, the keys, although iron, strong, but the anti-rotation will work. That is, it will turn into idle. This one is also unopened, Skoda. In the car, of course, it will be a little more comfortable than holding it in your hands. This one is also not opened. Here, this is Chinese lock. Opened. There are one Chinese door lock, two original ignition locks, Audi and Volkswagen, if I'm right. The price for these keys will be on the website. Contacts are under this video.